So now let's begin the code part. So I will create a folder. In here I'll give it a name of, let's say, server, right? And I will open the server, and here I will be typing cmd to open the terminal in this server directory. Now first command which we will be typing is npm init to initialize our server. So this will ask for different stuff. So server is okay, press enter, and everything default is okay. So now the package.json is created in here, right? Okay. So what I will do, I will open this VS Code in this particular directory. For that I can type code dot to open VS Code in this directory. Okay, so here is my VS Code opened, and I will fit that to my screen size in here. Okay. So first we need to install the Express. We will be making use of Express. So first let's install the Express package. So here I will be typing npm install install, and the package name, that is Express, and ins. Oh, here I have made a typo, install, and I'll hit enter. And now let's wait for a few seconds and let this package install. And there we go. So package is installed now. So in here in package.json you can see in the dependencies this Express is automatically added. And you can see this node modules is also automatically created because Express is inside this node modules, right? Express is a dependency and all the dependencies are inside this node modules. Okay. Yeah. So in here I'll be creating a file. I'll give it a name of app.js. So this will be an entry file, right? So now let's require Express, right? So I'll make a constant variable, constant. I'll give it a name of express, and here I'll require require Express, like so. And now we need to invoke that Express. So here I'll be making const app and equal to Express, Express, and I will invoke it like so. So now let's create a basic hello world program in Node.js, right? So for that, here I'll be making a get route, right? App.get get, and we'll be so user will be making a get request to, let's say, default route, that is slash. And now in here we can add a callback in here. This will take two arguments, that is request and response. And in here we will send a response to user, let's say response.send, and we will send, let's say, user a hello world, like so. And now we need to listen on a specific port, right? So server will be running on a specific port, so we need to provide that port. So here let's create a constant, and I will give it a name of port in capital letters. So let's define the port here, maybe 5000, right? Okay. Now in here we need to write app.listen, listen, and here we need to provide port. So yeah, this one. And again it will fire a callback function, right? So in here we can simply make a console.log that server is running on, and I will put a comma and the port number, right? Okay. So in order to run this file, right? So in order to run this file in this terminal, what we need to type is node and the name of the file, that is app. Now here we need not to write this app.js, but just we will be writing this app and it will work, right? I'll hit enter. Here you can see servers running on 5000. So now I'll open my browser and I will type here localhost, localhost 5000, and I will hit enter. Here you can see hello world is being printed. So let me explain your code once again, right? What is being happened in here. So the user is making a get request on this slash route, and as a response we are sending just a hello world in here. And we need to listen a server on a specific port, so we are providing a specific port, and here we have added a callback function, right? When server will start listening on this port, this callback function will get fire, and here we are just making a console.log, right? So here we can see this log on our console in here. Okay, so this is the basically hello world program in Node.js, right? Now let's say if I change this slash route to, let's say, slash home, right? So what I have done, I have changed this code file. So what I need to do, I need to kill my server, Control C. To kill the server you can press Control C. So server is dropped. Now again we need to restart our server because we have made a change in our code file. So if I here do a refresh here, here you can see we are getting an error, that is cannot get, because now we haven't made here a code. So we haven't made any code on this Node.js to say that how to handle this slash route, right? The default route. So what I will do, I will here make a get request on this slash home instead. Now here you can see hello world is being printed, right? So we haven't made a route handler to handle this simple slash request. That is why we were getting error, right? If I again will save this and I will again need to restart my server, right? Here I'll again type node app, and again if I make a request on this slash, again we are getting a hello world, right? So we need to make a request handler, right, for every route, right? Okay, so this was the basic hello world program in Node.js. So we will continue in our next video.